Today, we will examine a crucial component of your car's engine, something most drivers don't even realize exists, but it plays a vital role in keeping your engine running smoothly: the knock sensor. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what the knock sensor does and how to spot potential issues. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be able to maintain your engine, saving you time and money proactively. So, let's dive in. But first, remember to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. First off, what is a knock sensor? A knock sensor detects unusual vibrations or knocking inside the engine when combustion doesn't happen as it should. Let's break down what this little sensor does for your car. Here are 5 key functions of a knock sensor in a car. Number 1. Detection of engine knock, pinging detonation. The primary function of the knock sensor is to detect abnormal combustion events in the engine, known as knock or pinging. Engine knock occurs when the air-fuel mixture ignites prematurely or unevenly, leading to excessive pressure in the combustion chamber. If not controlled, this can damage the engine. The knock sensor picks up the vibrations or sound waves generated by this abnormal combustion and sends signals to the Engine Control Unit, ECU. Number 2. Engine timing adjustment. Once the knock sensor detects knocking, it sends a signal to the Engine Control Unit, ECU. The ECU then adjusts the engine's ignition timing to prevent knocking. By retarding or advancing the timing of the spark plug firing, the ECU ensures that combustion occurs under optimal conditions, which reduces the likelihood of knocking and maximizes engine efficiency. Number 3. Improved fuel efficiency. By continuously monitoring and adjusting the ignition timing based on the knock sensor's feedback, the engine can operate closer to its ideal air-fuel mixture ratio. This helps to improve fuel efficiency because the engine is burning the fuel more efficiently without causing knock, thus optimizing performance without the need for richer fuel mixtures. Number 4. Protection against engine damage. Knocking can cause serious damage to internal engine components like pistons, cylinder walls, and bearings if left unchecked. The knock sensor helps to protect the engine by providing real-time feedback to the ECU, allowing it to make necessary adjustments to prevent long-term damage. This function is crucial for maintaining the longevity of the engine. Number 5. Enhanced engine performance. The knock sensor enables the engine to run closer to its maximum potential without the risk of knocking. This allows automakers to design engines that can produce more power and better performance by using higher compression ratios or running on more advanced ignition timings. By keeping the engine operating at its optimal parameters, the knock sensor helps to achieve better acceleration and overall performance. The knock sensor ensures that the engine operates efficiently and safely by detecting abnormal combustion events, adjusting engine timing, improving fuel efficiency, protecting the engine from damage, and enhancing overall performance. But what happens if your knock sensor isn't working properly? A faulty knock sensor can lead to various issues that affect engine performance and, if left unchecked, may result in long-term damage to the engine. Here are 5 common symptoms of a bad knock sensor in a car. Number 1. Engine warning light, check engine light. One of the first signs of a malfunctioning knock sensor is the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. Modern vehicles are equipped with an Engine Control Unit, ECU, that monitors sensors, including the knock sensor. If the ECU detects that the knock sensor is not functioning properly or is giving erratic signals, it will trigger the warning light. This signal usually indicates that the sensor needs attention or replacement. Number 2. Poor engine performance. A faulty knock sensor can cause the engine to perform poorly. Since the knock sensor helps adjust ignition timing, if it fails, the ECU might not accurately adjust the engine's timing, leading to poor acceleration, reduced power, and sluggish performance. The car may feel underpowered, especially when accelerating, as the engine cannot optimize combustion properly without input from the knock sensor. Number 3. Reduced fuel efficiency. A bad knock sensor can lead to inefficient fuel consumption. Without the knock sensor's input, the ECU may default to a more conservative ignition timing to prevent potential damage, resulting in a less than optimal air-fuel mixture. This causes the engine to burn more fuel, reducing overall fuel efficiency. You may notice a drop in miles per gallon, and more frequent visits to the gas station. Number 4. Engine knock or pinging sounds. If the knock sensor is not functioning, it may not detect engine knock, allowing pinging or knocking noises to occur. You might hear these abnormal sounds when the engine is under load, such as during acceleration or when climbing a hill. These knocking or pinging sounds are caused by uncontrolled combustion, which the knock sensor is supposed to detect and prevent. 5. Engine stalling or hesitation. In more severe cases, a faulty knock sensor can cause engine stalling or hesitation during acceleration. Without proper timing adjustments, the engine might struggle to deliver consistent power, leading to intermittent stalling or hesitation, particularly when you press the gas pedal. The ECU may also trigger a limp mode to prevent damage, which limits engine power to avoid further harm, contributing to this symptom. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips and breakdowns. See you in the next video.